Preco's die cutting division is the premier manufacturer for automated converting equipment. The Rotary converting platform is servo-controlled and the ideal choice for general converters who need a fast and flexible setup, or for manufacturers who require an engineered solution for their specific converting needs. The system's modular design allows for integration of a wide range of processes to produce your products in line, including Preco's laser processing capabilities when narrow web converting demands the best of both worlds. The flatbed automated die cutting press will give you a competitive edge with the ability to automate material handling inbound, die cut with a wide range of tooling, and automate your part collection outbound the press to streamline your production. The servo-controlled traveling head press is designed to provide high precision and maximize yield for wide web rolls, handling materials with a wide range of weights and different thicknesses which can be processed in multiple layers. The automation capabilities for inbound rolls, die cutting, and part collection outbound will maximize your efficiency. We understand that every company requires unique capabilities. We will assist you in developing your ideal system design, tailored to reach your goals. When other manufacturers say it can't be done, Preco finds a way to say, yes, it can. We want to be your die-cutting partner, not just providing equipment. Over 45 years of experience and a team of engineers, application specialists, and project managers, Preco will be there to support all of your die-cutting needs.